Well, it's absolutely beautiful morning here in the lake, so we're going to launch here in a little bit and see if we can't go out and get a few of these stripers on board today. Well, the sun's about to come up on this beautiful day. We're on a troll right now. I'm trolling shallow, probably only in about 50-some feet of water, and I'm only in probably the top 10 to 15 feet. I see some bait busting all around, so hopefully we'll be able to get a couple of these hungry stripers on board and see what we can do. Well, the wind is starting to pick up, which isn't really a bad thing. All it means is I have a real hard time picking up where to see the bait. So we're going to have to troll around, keep an eye on the sonar, and that's going to be the key to finding fish out here today. I'm starting to notice on the sonar some schools of bait, and they're running right below where I have my line set, right around 25 to 30 feet. So I'm getting a little optimistic. Maybe we'll run into something and maybe get a striper on board today. All right, got one on here. Boy, this is a good one. Boy, with all this wind kicking me all over the place, I was about ready to give up on him. Oh, you see the boat. Now that's what I'm talking about. Beautiful striped bass. Woo! Woo! Now that's a real beauty, eh? One more time. Can't beat that with a stick, huh? But we're gonna let this guy go, maybe catch him again. What a fight, beautiful fish. So we just got into that really nice striper there, and I'll tell you what, despite all this wind and the rough water, I was marking absolutely nothing on the sonar. No bait, no fish. I was in about 100 feet of water, and it just took off. So it goes to show you, you just got to be in the right place, know where they want to be, know where the bait is, even though it's really hard to tell with the surf right now. You can see them coming up to the top and working the surface. So, but just be in the right place, do your best, use what you know, and maybe we can get lucky. Let's see if we can't get another one on board.